I had a bit of sweet tooth today, so I'm gonna show you a very quick dessert recipe. This was invented ages ago and is also called as poor man's pudding because earlier when they had so much leftover bread, they didn't want to waste it, so they just made a new dish out of it and they called it as bread pudding. It's really good. To make a nice bread pudding, you need 2 eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons of cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of Nutella, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of marmalade, this is optional as well, and 4 slices of bread. Simple ingredients, right? The first step we will be doing is we'll be cutting out the edges of these bread. And do not throw away the edges. We are going to use the edges later. So just cut the edges and keep them aside. I'm just going to cut the edges into half, just making smaller bits. So my next step would be, in whatever tray you will be baking, we are going to butter the tray. If you guys cannot bake it, just follow how you do your cake recipes in cooker or on gas. You can do the same way with the bread pudding as well. So just butter your tray on all 4 sides and at the center. Once this is ready, set this aside. Remember, I took Nutella and marmalade. These are completely optional. I just love the combination of these 2 flavors. Marmalade, it just gives that nice bitterish, sweetish, tangy twist to this. So apply marmalade on one side and twist it over and apply butter on the other side. Repeat the process for another bread. Your hands could get a little messy with this. So 2 slices I have applied marmalade and the other 2 slices I'm going to put this Nutella. Not too much, I'm just going to put very little just to get a tinge of that flavor because I don't want to make it very sweet. So one side Nutella, the other side is butter. This mess is worth it, trust me. I'm gonna wash my hands. So once this is ready, before you do anything else, let's preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit. So my oven's preheating. Until then, I'm going to make my pudding mixture now. First in, I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm just going to beat this. Next, I will add in the eggs, 2 whole eggs. Whisk it well. Once this is done, add in the melted butter, 2 tablespoons of cream. This gives it a nice richness to the pudding. That is why we add cream. If you don't get cream, it's okay. But if you get, it just tastes really good. And finally, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Typically, in a very traditional bread pudding, they add raisins and some cinnamon powder. I'm not big on both of those. I just skip it and instead I pair it with orange marmalade and Nutella. So you can mix and match the ingredients or the flavors that you want in your bread pudding. But this is like the base, so this remains the same, the milk, sugar, egg and vanilla extract. Everything else are just add-ons. So my next step would be, in the baking tray, place your bread. So once you do this, I am not going to pour over the whole liquid mixture that I've made onto the bread yet. I'm just going to soak all the bread with this mixture and make sure that every inch of the bread is covered. With the remaining custard mixture that I have, what I'm going to do is, remember the sides of the bread, I'm just going to dip it in the mixture. Soak this completely and pour this over your bread slices. And that way, nothing is wasted. And the sides of these bread give it a nice crispiness when you bake them. And it adds to the better texture. and it's ready to be baked. Now I am going to set at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So here is a nice slice of dessert. This is best enjoyed when it's quite hot and also served with a nice ice cream. That's the best combination. It also satisfies you instantly. So I'm going to take a bite. I think this is a marmalade flavored bread that I have cut out. This feels so warm and delicious. And when something like this comes out of leftovers, it has to be worth it.